Automatic cleaning. The Leveluk Kangen 8 has an automatic cleaning function, as calcium deposited on the electrodes in the electrolysis tank may result in reduced performance. There are two types of cleaning that maintain the performance of the unit. If Kangen water or other water has been produced more than 10 minutes, it will show Kangen Refresh on the LCD and start cleaning for 10 seconds when the faucet is turned off. When another water type is selected after producing strong acidic water, or when the unit has not been used for more than 24 hours, it will start cleaning automatically for about 30 seconds once the water is run through the unit.
Starting the cleaning cycle. The cleaning cycle is finished.
It will then start to produce the selected type of water.